I've been wanting to come in and see the Jumbo area for 4 years now, ever since I saw the film Jumbo Wild. And actually there's a story to that because I watched the trailer for it and it blew my mind. It's an incredible trailer. And I was like, I gotta come down and see one of the screenings they're having in Vancouver for the film. And so I drove my first car, a Saab, from Penticton to Vancouver. And on the way, I had a major breakdown, somewhere near like Abbotsford or something. I was on the side of the highway, didn't know what was wrong. It turned out my head gasket had blown, and so I had a very expensive tow to a garage in Vancouver, and then I tried to figure out the public transit system so I could get on a bus to get down to the Patagonia store, and I made it about halfway through the film. I missed the first half, but I actually made it to the screening, and the place was packed, jam-packed for people. So I was sitting on the side, cross-legged on the floor, because it was standing room only, and I was at pretty much a 15-degree angle to the screen, which is a terrible angle to watch a film from. But I did get to see half of the film, and I was very inspired, because I had to go and see Jumbo with my own two eyes and experience it for myself. And to this day, I still haven't seen the whole Jumbo Wild film. It's the end of September, and the larches are just going off right now. Super vibrant yellows. This place is unbelievably beautiful, and it's lived up to all my expectations. I'm so glad I got to finally make it to Jumbo. There it is right there, sun shining on its glaciers. The top just touching the clouds. This place is inspiring. Music in this video is by the talented Zabriskie. You can find his links down below in the description. And thanks for watching.